Hello friends, this is your friend Mainak from Civil Center and I welcome all of you back to our video tutorial series on G+3 Building Design using Tekla Structural Designer. So friends, in the previous video we had inserted columns in our model. So in this video we'll place our beams at the plinth level. So let's get started. So first of all we'll go to our plinth level, that is our structural base level, and then select beams. For beams at the plinth level, we'll just go to properties there and we'll put beams having size 250 into 250, grade M20 and reinforcement steel of grade Fe500. So we'll do these changes here. We'll just simply change this into 250, OK, and then also change the grade of the steel to Fe500. So after changing the grade of the steel, we're all set to insert the beams. Now while inserting the beams, we need to make sure that all the beams which are to be connected column to column, they can be selected by dragging. And the remaining portions we can just join manually. For example, we want to join all these 4 beams, we can just simply drag so they are joined column to column. Now all the remaining beams we can select on our own. Now the basic function of these plinth beams is to transfer the load of these walls. So some beams we need to provide as continuous even though there are no walls, and all these things come with experience. So if you are watching this video for the first time, please go to the description below or check our channel for more basic videos on TSD. We had made another 2 series of videos earlier which are more basic in nature, and if you watch those first, you'll get to know about how to use this software better. Now we're going to connect these beams and these beams also. Basically after that we need to check whether we need any other beams or not. We can check and delete also the beams which are not required. Simply we're inserting these beams. One beam is left here, okay. Now after having completed joining all these beams, we can simply copy this to our first floor slab level. We can check properly whether we have inserted beams at all the specified locations or not. You can put a beam here. And then we'll go back to our structural 3D level. In the structural 3D view, we'll simply check all the provided beams and then we'll simply copy this beams to another level. Now as we go to our model and then construction levels, in the plinth level we have inserted the beams just now. Now I'll go to our ground floor slab level and make this source as base. So all the beams here will be copied. We'll just choose this as base and then OK. So as you can see, all these beams have been copied. Now we'll make this back to unique so that any changes we do here are not reciprocated to the other levels. So it's OK. So we have inserted successfully the beams at the plinth level and also the ground floor slab level. So friends, that's all for today. In the next video, we'll continue working on our TSD model and also work on insertion of slabs. So stay tuned to our channel, and if you want offline training from us on Tekla Structural Designer, you can contact us below. And also we have launched a Civil Center Student Club for all civil engineers and civil engineering students so that they can get training in advanced softwares and all the skills related to civil engineering. For joining our Civil Center Student Club, please contact 9777 46 9666. See you guys. Bye bye.